Over. First green, blue, and yellow. And actually, where's the maximum will happen? What's the...
I guess. Alright, we already passed as well our first 30 minutes. Now look at that, ladies and gentlemen. Point clip is 20X multipliers on top. Woo! Let's go.
Hi, my brother. This game uses money. And this game can also make money for you. Use your money wisely. And remember, this game is for entertainment, not for your main job to make money.
2,996 winners, Jerry, Yak, and GRA with the top 3 wins. The bets are open for you in this round, everybody, and all the newcomers. How are you? Welcome, everybody, to Crazy Time. What was an option? Oh, hey, man, do you recognize me? I'm trying to read. Sorry, mate, I don't. I hope you can forgive me in your heart. You know, for it's Crazy Time, by the way. Oh, can we get it? Bonus! Hey, let's go, everybody. Crazy Time, my friend, with a 4X multi on it. Hey, let's go, everybody. Come. Ah, yeah. We're here. You're here. We are here. Let's do this, everybody. Oh, yes. Yes. Yeah, ready. And there's a triple. Oh, whoa. You know. Let's do this, everybody. Hey. All right, 4X it is, everybody. Applied on everything but a triple. All right, now green, blue, yellow, my friend. Which one is it gonna be? Blue, yellow, or green? Auto pick, of course, an option as well, letting you know that. Anyways, now we are fighting for an 800x multiplier. Good luck to you. Whoa. All right, look at that. 80x for green and beautiful 200x's for blue and yellow. Oh, blue and yellow. 5,300 winners right there. Jerry play Aldo top 3 in this round. Well done, everybody. Really nice. So, let's continue with the next round, everybody. Continue is the key. Well, I mean, kinda. You wanna cry out of happiness? Well, let it all out, my friend. Cry your heart out. A number 1 in this round for you right here, right now. You know. Oh, told you, Zin.
Worst. Well, that's a 5X, guys. We have to redeem ourselves next time, but let's get back to the wheel now. Selin, Player, and Kevin, you're the top winners. New round is here, so wishing you the best. Get ready, newcomers. Welcome to Crazy Time. Nice to see you. My name's Robbie. Good luck to everybody. And thank you. Bets are closed. And off we go. Okay, Pachinko 4X TOPSLOT now. I mean, come on, let's get it. Let's get that Pachinko 4X. Go. Yes! We got it! Oh my! Back to back. Oh! Oh, happy dance. Whoa. Balance is not found, Robbie. Happy dance. Oh no! Not now! Reload, refresh? System refresh? Bro, come on. Come on. Should I kick it? Faster. We're impatient. We want to see what we can get. No? Ready? There's a 400x, guys. I can already see that. But the drop zone is there. Okay, 200 as well. Let me just quickly. Yes! GG, my queens. Go for that 400. I want to see this unfold. Go, please. You did it! Yes! Oh, that's so... Well, call that redemption, guys. 400x on Pachinko. Wow, wee-wah. That's love. Off we go. Little happy dance, little happy dance. Little happy dance. Number 10, guys. 9-5 Nansu, yeah, Kirita winner. Kisses to you all.
Really long number straight that players. I really hope for some bonus chance to come back in the session or so for that crazy sound or so for Pachinko as well to join us so we can have all of the bonus rounds. Let's see the players, let's make another spin right now and let's see what we're going to land this time. Alrighty, yeah? Let's see what we're going to land for this new round. We got number 10 is a 3x multipliers. Got a crazy time this time, and yes we do. Lovely to see that, ladies and gentlemen. Now we have first crazy time for the session finally is here. Alright, enjoy the first crazy time now as well for the session that players. So wish you all the best of luck. Alright, welcome the players to the crazy time. Alright, players, so I hope you're ready right now. A few more seconds. And let's have fun. We got decision time open, 3 colors to choose from. We got a green, we got a blue, we got a yellow color. So wish you all the best of luck. So for the best multiplier to be here on the color you're going to choose. And of course, ladies and gentlemen, we got the biggest one in 100x multiplier. Let's go. Alright, we got this yellow with a double, lovely. Alright, compliments for the yellow now. We got a 200x multiplier for the yellow color, the legged one. Look at that, 200x multiplier for the yellow. And welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Congratulations to the yellow color, 200x multipliers. So let's keep her up. Let's make now another spin. And we'll see what we're going to plan for this new round. Alrighty, well done, yellow. That's all for another crazy time to be here. So we have redemption on other colors. Alrighty, we got a Pachinko now with a 3x multipliers.
La 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 la, that's the number 1. That's the right fit. Million hand. Okay, is Madison Vegas combination. Workable, yes. Finally. We're going on the right way, Workable review. We're going on the right way review. Half crazy time 3x. Rex round, we are located. Send me your location. Just focus on communication. I'm located in a crazy time red room. Quite busy down there. Home with me. I was living down there because it was some multipliers. Welcome, players. Welcome to the crazy time. Let's add a 3x from the wheel. Would you look at that? Those decisions are made, because if you won't make them, they will be made automatically. And let's see the highest multiplier. That's 600x. Okay, impressive. Good luck. $45.75 and 150 on the yellow. That is going to be number 1. That's the first thing. Congratulations to your round winners of 1,100 of you. You got that. Nobody have a crazy time, a winter wonderland. Autumn wonderland. That's my location. Where are you located, nobody? Workable? Congrats. What was 3x? That's Pachinko. Let's see the multipliers. What do we have? So we have 5x, 7, 10, 15, 20, 35, and 100. Let's go. So the highest multiplier is 200x, dropping the buck and the look. Thingy, where you going? Oh! We just got the highest. We just got a 200x that easily. Congratulations. Woo. That was a hot. That was a hot Pachinko. Looking to 3,456 if you got that. But Tiger Dieter and VK, top 3 winners with some amazing wins. Wow, wow. Congratulations. Nice. Julio, between the 3x. Julio. And butts are closed. Top lot shows point flip with 3x. And it's back to back. Look at us. We have another Pachinko. We are back here. We are back. Back to the Pachinko. Welcome everyone and good luck of course. So let's check it out, all the multipliers. Probably gonna be the lower multipliers this time. 2, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 200. Also, we have the biggest multiplier, 200. Sadly, there's no double this time. Once again, the biggest multiplier is 200. And I wish you good luck. Oh, we are in that. Oh! Wow, I didn't expect that at all. We got that 200. Oh my. Oh, well, I congratulate you. Congratulations, everyone. We got the biggest bonus. I'm in shock right now. I'm in shock.
For the first time, Pachinko to be joining us for this session. That's the only bonus chance left to catch. 1,481 S right now, and good luck next time. Let's go everyone, let's make a nice spin, and let's see what we're going to land for this new round. Ready? Once again, let's do this. Let's go. Let's see how it goes. Alright, we already passed as well our first 30 minutes. Another hour to go with me, so let's see how it goes. Do you have coin flip? Look at that, ladies and gentlemen. Coin flip is 20x multipliers on top. Woo! Let's go. What a catch, the players. Coin flip. Let's go, the players. We have coin flip, so whole 20x multipliers. Compliments. Let's go, the players. We have red, we have blue signs still. It's not the end. Let's see the multipliers first of all. Alright, we got 20 already on the red. We have 3 on a blue, so let's multiply 20 times. 400x multiplier on red, 60 on a blue. Ladies and gentlemen, fingers crossed. We got the red color. Woo, woo, woo. Let's go 400x multiplier from the coin flip. Ladies and gentlemen, congratulations. What a catch. 400x multipliers. 3,110 winners for this lovely, amazing 400x multipliers. Congratulations. Alrighty. What a great round. What a great session, ladies and gentlemen. Everything.
Time. Crazy time. Oba. Oba. Crazy time with the 10X. Let's go. Let's do that. Welcome to this beautiful, the biggest wheel in this world. Alright, decision time. We have 3 colors, 3 flappers, which is green, blue, and yellow. 10X, where's the maximum will happen? What's the maximum? What is the maximum? Can you tell me someone? Alright, just gonna see that. I'm gonna see that. Decision time right now. I don't see that. Alright, hopefully we're gonna get the biggest one. Hopefully we're gonna get it. Hopefully we will. And the second time is over. Let's go. 1,000, the biggest multiplier. Let's give it a watch. Double for the green team. Let's get it once again. 2,000x, the new maximum right now. Alright, another double for the green team. The new maximum 3,000x. Let's do it again. Let's push the button. 4,000? Wait, what? Oh yes, indeed. It was a double. Alright.
If this game uses money, so be wise in using your money. Pay attention to the meaning of money. Money is a stock of assets that can be immediately used to carry out transactions. Apart from that, money is anything that can be used or received to make payments for goods, services, or debts. Money has one fundamental purpose in the economic system: to facilitate the exchange of goods and services, to shorten the time and effort required to execute a trade. Money is an object that can be approved by all levels of society as a means of exchange in trade. The definition of money is an acceptable medium used by every economic actor or money market player to make transactions easier.